So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the quality platform. I'm going to start with the setup. We have already created a project in the front end. So I have here selected the project. I selected the technology that I defined inside the project, and here you have to put a JSON file with the details to connect to your database. Once you do that, you're going to see something like this, where you can see all the data from the database. We're going to select everything or not if you want, and then we're going to save and send this to the backend of the platform. Then inside the platform, it will look like this. This is a project where we have a SaaS platform that already has a WordPress plugin that is used to capture events that are happening on the WordPress website, and then it's going to use an API to send data back to the SaaS platform. We have some data objects defined. One of them is like the product, where we have ID, price, and name is the product that shows on the website. And these are the details that are gonna flow from the website to the plugin and then through the API in the SaaS platform. We have the WordPress user that is used to log in into the WordPress admin, email and password. And then we have the platform user that we use to log in inside the platform and test things inside the platform, where we have email and password, but we also have a couple of keys. The keys are being used to create a connection between the SaaS platform and the WordPress plugin. Now let's have a look, for example, at the WordPress website. We have one page defined, which is the product page, and the product page contains the objects that I told you earlier that I just showed you, and you will see that each component will have an actor here. Here we have unregistered user because an unregistered user will be the one that will use the WordPress website. If we go to the WordPress admin, we're gonna have two pages defined here. We have an admin login page and a plugin config page. You have to log in first into the WordPress website, and then you're gonna have to go on the plugin page. On the login form, this is the login form that you use this actor, user WordPress, to log in, and we have the details here. The app already knows, it detects that this is a form, and it will automatically create tests in the backend, testing without information on the form, different usernames, different passwords, and so on. And to go back to the admin, once you're logged in, you're going to have the left navigation menu that you're going to use to get to the page where we have the plugin configuration. And then we have the platform, where right now we have defined just one page, which is the plugin configuration, where you config you do the config for the WordPress integration. Once you have everything mapped out inside the platform and you have every connection created, you will see something like this. And this is a graph that shows you how data flows through the different API and different technologies that we define now: website, plugin, and then back to the platform. This is also useful because, for example, if you're developing a new feature, you can come in here, you can create a test and say, hey, it's going to use this data object and it's going to be part of that technology and so on. And then you can come and you can have a look at the data graph and see where that new feature or that new page is being placed on the graph and what are the dependencies, what other data you need in order to get there, or what are the blockers in case that you are not able to see that internally. And last, I want to show you an example of a test. So here, this is the flow of a test. Each row is like an action. We start with being a moderator. We log in as a moderator. At some point during the test, we change to a location admin. This is like a different type of user. And then we go and we do a lot of actions, and then we change to a different type of moderator. We go back as the location admin, we go back to the moderator, and that's it. What this does is test three different types of users on working on the same presentation. So there are three people with different permissions editing the same thing and making sure that each one is able to do only the part that they were supposed to do. That's pretty much it. Thank you.